Atkins Fabrication, and somehow y'all doing on this fine Wednesday evening. It is about uh 7:45 right now. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm gonna make a quick little video. Idea I have here is I want to start practicing with the milling machine. I want to find out what it can actually do. We got to be careful because it does got plastic gears in the head. We're going to have to get them out sometime and replace them with metal gears. They have a head upgrade to where you can transfer. You can do a transfer pulley to where it's not only the high-low right here with the machine itself. This is a high-low lever. But it'll have the step pulley also, two-step pulley, where you can, have a range of speed as well. Which will, now in turns, the two ranges of speed will open up many other ranges of speed as well. So what I'm getting used to is in what direction to mill in, so your milling machine cutter doesn't catch and kick off of it. You know what I'm saying? So at this point, we're going to give it a try and see what we can do. So I know when it's in front of me here, I want to go from right to left. I think when it's on the other side, I want to go from left to right. We're going to give it a try and see. And then we're going to try also front to back and back to front. Alright? So, stay tuned and check this out with me and let me know what y'all think about the video. Give me a sec. Alright, I'm back, y'all. Well, alright, baby, let's fire her up and give her a try here and see what she does. Now remember, this is steel. It's probably 1045. Pretty easy to cut. So let's give this a try, see what it does. Alright, so let's try the other way now. Let's go this way. I'm going to come down here. We'll step in here. And we'll go across. Let's see what it does now. Oh, slot, yeah, I didn't like that all right. Okay, so I was right. I was right. second. Alright, y'all, welcome back. The air compressor pumped on at the same time I was milling. With that stress there, the fan going, the lights on and all that, it probably would have blew the breaker or overloaded the breaker. So I just shut everything down real quick and polish it real fast. Alright, so let's go back to this now. Uh-oh. Is that ducks out there? Sound like ducks. You see that? That comes from too much looseness in the waves. It's wobbling like this as it's going across, and that means instead of taking the cut, it's skipping across that cut and pushing itself out. You hear that big bang and all that? Yeah. And we're too close to the lights itself for stuff like that to be jarring up and happening like that. And like I said, that's coming from this. And the problem is I played with this yesterday because I seen it doing it yesterday. I didn't like that yesterday when I did it, so looks like we might have to so we're just adjusting the ways and the way screws. It's still a fresh machine, so there's adjustments that are still going to have to be made to it here. Which, depending upon the adjustments, really ain't, too big as it's expected. Okay, let's see what kind of difference in the cut we get now. Now that we, yeah, tighten that up a little bit. Let's see what we get now, huh? We're still watching, right? Okay, yeah. I would try it the opposite way now. I'm going to bring it back one. It should come this way. Yeah, it should come this way. No, it shouldn't. Here's the difference, watch this. See that difference? Now watch this. We'll come back and do a deeper cut. That initial cut that I took that was too deep, I almost took that out of there that time. This should take it out. That's it. There we go. Now bring it back this way. And we need our extra 2 cuts. Ready? That's the right way. That's it. Now you know what? I'm gonna take one more in. And we're gonna step in nicely and take that off. There you go. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Should be pretty close to a scrap. To a square part. Oh, looky there. It's booger. I'm booger. Come here, booger. What do we have here? Booger. We have square part. We have square. I say square. Let's move this out of the way. Loosen this, pull this, and go up the rest of the way and up. And tighten it back up so no weight on there. And there we go. Square. Beautiful. Ah, you like it. Yeah. Son. Huh? So, all in all, what we learned is the directions we need to go. Okay? Now I know in what direction I can cut without the mill taking on too much and spitting it at me and everything else. I ain't worried about the sword as much as I am the part. They tend to hurt. Ask me how I know. Do it later. So look, they hurt. So I don't want that. But yeah, there you go. Hey man, if you're on board and you like to see a 2x72 grinder made, I need to get a bandsaw. This bandsaw I got is some crap. I got the Delta over in the corner. Here's my problem. A good fella by the name of Ivan Big Berry. Thank you, good brother. He's the only one outside of the people I know that's ever donated to the shop for a reason as to a project. Ivan donated the $40 to get the evaporust. We got the evaporust and evaporusted everything. But here's the problem. The blade guides, the bearings and all that, they were no good. So now the problem is finding new ones for it. Or do we maybe sell the frame and the stuff that we got? Maybe somebody can use it. We sell it, make a couple of hours off of it, and just buy a new one. A new used one. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm kind of thinking about doing. I want something that'll cut wood and metal. Metal and wood. Wood and metal. Metal and wood. I know what you like. Anyway. So, yeah. Bandsaw. That Wilton that I got right there, I thought somebody gave that to me. When I got the Delta, he had this too in his shop. He told me I could have it, and now I know why. That thing is a grade A piece of... Try not to say things like that on this channel. We try to be men of greater intelligence. Fuck that. Watch your mouth. Anyway. So, yeah. I'm getting ready to get out of here, man. I'm dragging. I'm tired. Nothing really to talk about. sleepy. I'm gonna be here nodding out soon. Somebody's gonna be thinking that I'm all relapsed out and stuff, you know. No, just tired, babe. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready to get up out of here. It's time to go home for the night. Atkins Fabrication and some. Don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button, like and share. Tell all your friends about this. Something, hey, this is special. Something to talk about. Tell all your friends, man, about this amazing channel, Atkins Fabrication and some. Like nothing other like it. Never. I love y'all, man. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Video will be out soon. This is working with the mill, learning the mill. We're gonna try. We learned the directions that we gotta cut, as well as we learned that our ways were too loose. We gotta pay attention to that. Atkins Fabrication and some. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe, like, and share. I'm out. See you next time. See ya.